Welcome back to another day in Christine's Jamaican kitchen. Today I am doing ham jerk style. Never done this before, but we're gonna see. But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as I have more wonderful recipes available. You know what to do by now. You just tap that button. Tap, tap, tap.
This is all the ingredients that we need for this dish today. Cinnamon powder, powdered jerk seasoning,
Sugar, lime, some Coca-Cola, and of course your meat, which is your ham. So I get the spiral ham, and of course you want to use your lime to wash it really good, which I did. And if you look closely, you could see I already add my jerk seasoning to it. I did some sugar and I did some Coca-Cola right up in there. Guys, I just want to bend. And so I got the foil paper. Usually I would get the heavy duty. I don't know what got into me. I got this one and it's rubbish. Rubbish. Look at that. Look how thin it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so disappointed. But let me go ahead, wash my hands, and I'll add some more seasoning. Okay, so I have some jerk sauce up in here and a little bit of my cinnamon. You know, guys, I always have my measurements in the description box below, so don't worry. I'm just gonna add some sugar. And of course, if you don't want to do the jerk, I just want something different. You know, always doing the honey bake. I just want something different. So if you guys don't want to go the jerk style, you don't have to, but I want a different taste. I have some already in here, some of the Coca-Cola in here, so I'm just gonna add it right here.
why it look like a mustard bottle?
Oh, it is a mustard bottle. It is.
Then why did you put the Coca-Cola in there?
That's the bottle I have. Should I get a Coca-Cola bottle? I didn't know they have them. I didn't know they have a Coca-Cola
No,
bottle.
I'm saying why did you specifically put Coca-Cola in there?
Because I wanted to put on my hand. Make sense or no? Okay, so this is what my little sauce look like. Even though the ham comes with a sauce, you still want to put something on it. And as I said, I just wanted you guys to see how I do it, because I already put some on it and it was sitting there just marinating, soaking in. So I just want you guys to see how I do this. You want to try it, Kimberly? Here, you want to?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You learning, right? So just like stick it in between because it's spiral, so it's already cut. Don't be afraid, just go right in because you want that flavor all up in it.
I don't know, it's gonna taste pretty bland if I'm on this.
Trust me, you're gonna be fine. Come on. That's right. You're gonna be fine, honey. Some of this up in here. All right. And we preheat our oven 350 degrees. So now you're gonna put your foil paper on my rubbish foil paper. Oh my gosh, I'm so disappointed.
How long is this gonna be baking in the oven?
This is a 6-pound ham, and usually it's 15 minutes a pound. So I think it was a 6.5 pound ham. So 15 minutes, I'm doing it 15 minutes per pound. So I'm doing it for 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah, before we know it, 2 hours will be here
and
gone. Here and gone.
2 hours is like 2 hours.
You'll be fine. You'll be so fine. Oh. Alright, so you always want to put the shiny part up, the dull part down. I'm gonna add some pineapple, but we're gonna do that, and that's optional. I'm just doing it because I want to do it. In the last 30 minutes, yeah, the last 30 minutes when I'm doing the sauce.
Pineapple?
Yes, pineapple.
Do you like pineapple pizza?
I love pineapple pizza.
That's why. Pineapple does not go with baked foods.
Okay, you're gonna have it today and you're gonna say, Mom, this really tastes good. Let's go in the oven. The last 25 minutes into your 2 hour, you want to go ahead and make your sauce to put on it and put it back for 25 minutes, 20-25 minutes. So let's go ahead and make the sauce. Kimberly, turn the stove on. Okay, so you know your spiral ham, it comes with its own little sauce already. So all you gotta do is gonna pour it in. Then you wanna do 2 teaspoons of water. On the packet it will tell you exactly what to do, so just follow directions.
Does this like make it sweet?
Yes. This is your thing. And you're gonna stir until it comes to a boil. So get your spoon and start stirring, girl.
Here. Oh, we're gonna use this one?
Yeah. You want to wait until it comes to a boil. I'll bring it to a boil. See that? See? It's coming. It's boiling. You see that?
So is it like sugar? What is it?
Yeah.
Honey?
So it's sugar, honey, cinnamon.
Sugar ain't good for me.
The spice.
Sugar isn't good for me.
Oh my gosh, a little sugar, not gonna hurt. Oh, there you go. Look at that, boiling. See that? So, when it comes to a boil, you're gonna turn it off. Turn it off, Kimberly.
Oh. That's it?
That's it. We're gonna base our ham with it, and then we're gonna put it back for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay? So let's get this going. Where's my mittens? in there, just go ahead and throw it off if there's a lot of excess water. So I'm just gonna glaze this baby with it. My arm look little bitty. I look so little.
You should have gotten a bigger one.
Yeah, I should have. Alright, let's turn it over. Let's turn it over.
It's smoking, Mom. It's smoking.
It's smoking. My ham is smoking.
So what's the point of glazing it?
You asked for that sweet, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it make it look like shiny or something?
Yeah. So do you want sweet or do you not want sweet?
I want a little bit sweet.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna put it back without the paper, the foil paper, without covering it. And we're putting our timer on for 20 minutes, 20, 25 minutes. Let's do 20 minutes. You're hungry, right? Okay, we'll do.
What if it comes out raw?
No, trust me, it's cooked. It's cooked, baby. Dinner done, dinner ready. Kimberly is having it with some macaroni and cheese. I am not gonna taste because I did the other half of my mouth, so it's still under.
That was today?
Yes, it was today. I had to do the other half. You see me talking weird and face looking lean? Oh, but Kimberly's gonna taste and tell me what she thinks. Immaculate. Oh my goodness. But anyway, guys, this is a wonderful dish for the family, especially if you're having a get together. It is great. Try it. Try this recipe. And guess what? Me gone. I'm gonna near me dinner, even though my mouth hot me. Me gonna try eat on one side. But me gone. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. So bye. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.